So, anyways, we're very fortunate to have that insurance. My husband works a lot, so.
You must have to work a lot of hours.
Well, he loves to work. What's the latest you have on Saturday?
Let's see here for Saturday. Check my schedule here.
Because he's worked a lot of hours this week, so they may not let him work on Saturday.
I've got an opening here at 11 o'clock when he can come in. Does he want to do a massage too?
That's too early.
Then,
What's the latest you have?
I can get him in here at 1 o'clock. He can get the massage and then the session with me thereafter.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay, so you remind me to put on the schedule when you go up front.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's going to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. The neck. Again. Okay, stretch his elbow. I still have the raw footage from last week. I haven't published it yet.
Yeah.
But we're getting a lot of page views.
So where do you go to? Just Carrollton Chiropractic?
Yeah, just type in our name and you'll find our videos on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You can actually go to Google and type in our name. You can find our videos on YouTube also.
Oh, good.
Okay, it's going to line your back. Let's hug the pillow. Scoot down toward me. I still have to process the video too and then and tag it.
Oh.
So that's how we can get it found.
Do we get royalties? I'm kidding.
Breathing down. Scoot about 3 inches towards your head. Scoot up. It's going to relax your knees. We'll strap you in.
I think when my husband goes through this, he's going to, oh, he was trying to kill me. A little bit, you know, every time I stretch a little, and he's like, no, that's not normal. So I think when you do all these, he's going to go, whoa, you're going to try to kill me. He's funny.
Let's go lift your head above the table. And down. How's Samuel doing?
He's doing okay. Samuel's just out there.
Okay.
I keep telling him, hey, you want to go to the park? Yeah. And then he's busy, you know, hanging out. Just, he's a baby. He's the one that, I don't know what happened, but he's a good kid. It's just, he's not sure yet, you know, where he's going.
Feel that click? Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Sometimes you can feel the straps vibrating. That's how I know the patient's neck has released itself. Oh, that's good click there too.
Oh, yeah.
Just on the right side one more time.
feels good when you stretch it. Ugh.